Hello guys, I am Ranjan Dalata. Today I am going to um, give you a brief introduction about Kandroid. So it's a Kandy Android library. So the intention of this project is to develop an Android library for Kandy REST API. So here you can see the project. It's currently posted in Collaborizm. So the source code is open source. It's under GPL v3 license. So feel free to download and use the Kandy Android library. So coming to the project overview, as you can see, the Kandroid is a very tiny and easy to use library. So it relies on Kandy REST API. So that's the core the APIs that we are using. So as you can see, Kandy provides an Android library which you can easily code and accomplish. So the library what we are coding is you can consider it as a wrapper or a helper library. So that benefits the underlying the communication with the Kandy API. So, so there are a lot of aspects you can see. So I'm going to quickly show you a few things here. So coming to supporting and material info. So you can see the screenshot of the SMS. So we are using the Kandy SMS, Kandy REST API SMS endpoint. And so here you can see how how one can easily test all the Kandy endpoints using Postman. So coming to the core Android HTTP library, we are using OK HTTP is one of the core HTTP library. So which is again open source, and that's the core library that's being used as part of the Kandroid library. So here you can see some of the Kandy authentication endpoints. So you can get user access token or any other alternate mechanism, can perform some of the user specific operations like getting the user access token or creating device, deleting a device, and getting a list of devices. So there are a lot of operations that you can perform. So for all this, you need an access token that you'll see next on how to obtain the access token. So I'm going to quickly show some of the configuration settings that is required as part of this Kandy API library. So this is something is very important. The configuration about the API key, secret key, it's all obtained as part of Kandy portal registration. So I will quickly go over some of um, the things that is accomplished as part of this project. So here is the list of things and the completed list of aspects of this project. Basically the understanding of Kandy REST API, building and extending the library. So since Kandy already provides REST and Android library, so you'll be asking a question like what exactly we are doing with this Kandroid. So there are certain aspects like sending SMS or SMS send code or verification, or the other aspects like video calling. A lot of these features are currently not directly available as part of Kandy REST API. So here we are going to demonstrate the usage of all these endpoints. So as you see here, we are handling the Kandy SMS and instant messaging implementation and SMS send code and verification. Then manage user account and domain access token, Kandy device and fetch all messages, and user address book and contact management, like getting or fetching all the contacts, adding and or deleting contacts. Kandy splitter configuration. So splitter is these are some kind of configurations that you can see, or you can make use of these configurations for video calling. So basically, you'll be using something called yeah. So I'll quickly show yeah, this is better configuration. So we'll be using ICE servers. These are Kandy hosted ICE servers. Okay. So coming next, the WebRTC text or video chatting using PRJs. So I'll show you, how we can quickly how one can quickly use Kandy IC servers with the authentication mechanism plus PIJs for making a simple WebRTC call. So the Kandroid library contains a full list of features supporting the Kandy REST APIs, and the library has a pretty good documentation, including unit testings, and how to consume the library. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment comment on the Collaborism project. Thank you for your time.